Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a lofted surface command is discuss here. Guys, today discuss here a SolidWorks lecture 4 and SolidWorks surface modeling learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, lofted surface is also a very important role. Create a 3D model, create a 3D modeling, design a surface modeling, and this lofted surface is very important. Okay guys, at first open a SolidWorks software and discuss a lofted surface. Okay, this is our SolidWorks software interface and this is a lofted surface. Lofted surface means, this is a some definition means, create a lofted surface between two or more profile. Okay, at first draw a two or more profile. Okay, create a lofted surface between two or more profile. Two or more profile is at first drawing a geometry drawing here and then use a lofted surface. Okay, at first select a plane. Plane is a front plane. Okay, select a plane is a top plane is better and create a also create a plane. Plane is a, this is a two plane is better and this is a this is a perfect distance between 30 millimeter and create a two plane. Okay, click okay, this is a two plane is create here. Okay, at first select this plane and create a rectangle, center rectangle. Okay, this is a create a center rectangle and also create a this is a click a fillet 10 millimeter. This is okay and click okay and exit, and another plane is select here and exit and normal draw a circle is okay, this is a draw a circle. Okay, and diameter is a 76. Okay, and select and exit. Okay, this is a perfect, both profile is drawing here. Okay, and click okay, lofted command is activated and other command is not activated because this command is a some profile is a missing point and this profile is drawing exactly a lofted surface, and all is this all command is activated because this is suitable for this two profile is suitable for this command is activated. Okay, click a lofted surface and okay, this is a very important. First profile is already selected here and another okay, this is a select another profile. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a increase and decrease. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, some okay, this is a guide curve is also mentioned here, but next lecture is a drawing a guide curve. Okay, this is a simple. Okay, this is a perfect, and background is a white plane and select a color. Color is a blue color is better. Okay, this is a perfect, and this plane is hide. Okay, both plane is hide. This is a looking so nice. Lofted command is used here and isometric view is drawing here. This is a perfect, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this body is a so nice looking here. Okay, this is a basic lofted surface and some advanced lofted surface is used here, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay, next lecture is a some lofted surface is advanced point is discussed here, but this lecture is a only basic point is discussed here. Okay, 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 correct. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay, okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a lofted surface is discussed here. And guys, previous lecture is a some basic point is discussed here, and this point is a this lecture is a some advanced point and guide curve is also discussed here. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, this is a also already drawing here, and previous drawing a same drawing here, and some use a advanced point is discussed here. Okay, at first select a other plane. Plane is a top plane is right plane is select here and click OK, and this is a normal. Okay, and both line is a convert entities. Select, press Ctrl and both line is select here and click convert entities. Okay, this is a basic line and this is a bold line, and both line is also a use a construction geometry. Okay, okay, and this is a normal. Okay, and draw any spline, and this is a this is a guide curve, and draw a this is a body is drawing a this is a perfect. Click select. Okay, this is a guide curve. Both side one by one is learn here and click exit. Okay, and okay, and click a lofted surface, and at first click a profile and then other is a guide curve. At first select a first profile and select a second profile. This is a okay, this body is a lofted curve, lofted body is draw here, and second point is a guide curve. Guide curve means this. Okay, this is a correct, and click a OK. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and next is a Ctrl Z undo. Okay, not, and this is a undo, and other side is also draw here. This is a right plane and select here, and this is a correct. Okay, and draw a spline command and draw a another guide curve, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, exit, and again select a lofted surface, and at first select a profile. First profile is second is this is a correct, and guide this next is a guide curve first and guide curve second. Okay, this is a perfect. This body is a Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is correct. Click OK. Okay, and plane is hide. Okay, plane is hide. Also this plane is hide, and this is a advanced point is use a guide curve, and background is perfect. Color is a pink color. This is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Body is draw here. Okay, and some use a metal. Okay, brush. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. And some cartoon is okay, this is a perfect. Isometric drawing is better. Okay. Okay. Guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, next lecture is, guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.